The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2025 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL with the factory hardtop. Now this will not work on the one-touch sky roof, but we do have an option for that. We'll link to it in the description below. We've just installed a Thule WingBar Evo rain gutter complete roof rack on this Jeep. This bundle is comprised of the 60-inch WingBar Evo in black, also available in silver, and the Rapid Gutter foot pack. Locks are available separately as an accessory, but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at a variable distance center to center. Weight capacity for this roof is 165 pounds. This is a multi-purpose roof rack that can handle lots of different gear like kayaks, bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.